Hello guys, welcome to Elite Minds. In today's video, we'll be talking about another project on the ZKSYNC 2.0 testnet. Okay, as we all know, there's something really going on that network. Okay, so today we'll be talking about Trustless Currency Protocol. Okay, it's a new project on the ZKSYNC 2.0 testnet. So I'll urge you guys to head over and see what's going on. Okay, so this is it now. This is a protocol, trustless. So they said they are building censorship resistant DeFi on ZKSYNC. Okay, so what we'll have to do once you open this website here, trustless.fi, make sure you already have the ZKSYNC 2.0 on your MetaMask already. Okay, so once you've done that, you head over to go to app. You click on go to app and you wait for it to load. So once it opens, the first thing you have to do is to copy your wallet address. Okay, so once you copy your wallet address, just head over here, come over here, copy your address. Okay, so once you copy your address, next thing you have to do is to request for the test tokens. Now, how do you request for the test token? You click on this icon, this Discord icon showing right here. You click on it and it's going to take you straight to the Discord server of Trustless. Okay, so let's go over to the Discord server. Make sure you copy your wallet address because they are going to send the test token directly to your wallet address. All right, so this is it. Now once you've copied your wallet address, you head over to Faucet. Okay, so this is Faucet. So what you have to do is just paste your wallet address and the test tokens will be sent directly to your wallet. Okay, so after that, you head over to your browser, go to position. Then since you've been given the test token, as you can see, I was given 4.95. You just come over here to test the protocol or the platform. Click on through it. Yours will be showing max here and a particular percentage will be showing here, so you just have to click on it, or you impute the amount you want to use for this position. Okay, as you can see, I have used mine. Okay, I've already used mine, and if you look down below, you see I have 16.70 TCP accrued. I can claim this if I want. Okay, but I'll decide to leave it for now. So after that, the next thing you have to do is to interact with the stake. So you head over to stake. Okay, so you can see I have staked some of my balance. Now on Trustless Currency Protocol, they have two tokens. You have the HUE and the TCP. Okay, you have HUE and TCP. So currently now I've staked my HUE. Currently, as you're seeing, I've staked my HUE. I can decide to withdraw it. Okay, like if I don't want to stake again, I can decide to withdraw. Okay, but I'm going to leave it right there. So after doing this, the next thing is to provide liquidity. Now, how do you provide liquidity? You just head over to liquidity, you click on add. Okay, then I have 1000 HUE in my wallet, so I can decide to stake or provide liquidity of 500 HUE, as the case may be. Let's say 500. Okay, so this is it, 500 HUE. So I can decide to just click on max and approve. Okay, and approve. Have inputs and I will just approve. So when I click on approve, I'll have to sign in my MetaMask. Alright, now after signing, I have to approve for through it also. And before confirming liquidity, so I have to approve for through it also if I'll be able to provide liquidity in this. Make sure you interact with position, stake, and liquidity. Alright. Okay, so I'll click on confirm. and I've successfully confirmed for through it. Then I'm going to confirm the liquidity. All right, so I'll click on confirm. That is to add liquidity to the pool. I'm going to sign in my MetaMask. I click on confirm, and I've successfully added liquidity to the pool. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, so this is it. So I've added liquidity to the pool. So make sure you also do the same. Watch this video to the end and subscribe to the channel, guys. All right, so I can decide to add more liquidity or remove this particular position. All right, so after doing this, the next step and the most important step you have to do now is you have to retweet the page, the pin post on Trustless. You have to go over to Twitter and retweet, like and retweet. Okay, so this is it. So you just come over here, you follow them also. You see follow, you follow them also. So when you follow them, you like and you retweet. Then you copy the link. You copy the link to the tweets. Once you copy, then the next thing you have to do is to head over to their Discord server. Okay, so this is their Discord community here. So what I have to do after copying this link from Twitter here, after copying this link, what I have to do now is to make sure I copy my wallet address and the transactions so far I've done on my wallet. Okay, so I have to screenshot this if you are using mobile, or just take a picture of this. Okay, and make sure your wallet address is visible also. Make sure your wallet address is visible. So if you are screenshotting, you just take from here. So you're seeing my cursor here, you screenshot from this place down to the end. Okay, so once you screenshot and you've successfully retweeted and liked the page on their Twitter, you copy the retweet page or the retweet link and you head over to their Discord community and you go down to demo submission. As you can see here, demo submission right here. So you click on demo submission. This demo submission. So what I have to do now is to just add, since I've screenshotted, I've done this. Okay, so what you have to do is to click on this plus icon here and you paste the screenshots and the link you retweeted from Twitter. Okay, so you'll be given a row called trust no one. Okay, as you can see, trust no one. You have to be given this row to confirm you'll be given the airdrop. Okay, so meaning you have to copy the address gotten from Twitter, the retweet link, you have to copy it and also screenshot your transaction here. You have to screenshot your transaction showing your wallet address. Make sure your wallet address is visible. You screenshot this, you copy from the Twitter page and you head over to demo submission and submit. So you're given the trust no one row, guys. So that's just it for Trustlessfi. Okay, a new protocol on ZKSYNC 2.0. So guys, if you do enjoy this video, do well to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Drop more comments, guys, as I will see you guys in the next video.